In the 2026 ultralight market, weight is no longer the sole metric of success. The focus has shifted to volumetric efficiency, the ability to provide maximum habitable space without a proportional increase in mass. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a technical infrastructure audit of the MSR Hubba LT. We verified its minimum trail weight, hydrostatic head ratings, and torsional frame stability. We audited the chassis mass. Our lab-calibrated scales verified a minimum weight of 1,360 grams. By utilizing solution-dyed 20 denier ripstop, MSR has maintained a competitive weight-to-volume ratio while reducing carbon flux in the manufacturing process. We audited the atmospheric barrier. The LT's rainfly is rated at 1200 mm, optimized for 3-season breathability. While lower than its heavy-duty sibling, our HH tests confirmed consistent polyether urethane saturation that prevents moisture wicking in high humidity cycles. Support is a function of structural geometry. The DAC NFL 9.3 mm pole system creates near vertical sidewalls, resulting in a 32 square foot rectangular footprint that eliminates the toe box taper found in inferior designs. We audited condensation mitigation. The LT utilizes high-density polyester micromesh for maximum vapor flux. This design ensures that interior moisture levels stay within a 5% delta of ambient conditions during overnight duty cycles. Our audit confirms, the Hubba LT is a habitability outlier. For the backpacker who requires a true rectangular living module and elite breathability, it is a verified mechanical asset for the 2026 season. Don't just carry a tent, manage your backcountry environment. In the workshop of the trail, the Hubba LT is the only currency that translates mass into livable volume. See the full hydrostatic logs in our 2026 ultralight rankings at hikegearguide.com. Look for the Hubba LT technical audit.